Chapter 10, Section 10.2 covers regression. The regression line equation can be determined by using the data to find the value of A, the y-intercept, and the value of B, the slope of the line. First, you make a table and find the values of xy, x squared, and y squared. You put them in the appropriate columns and then find the sums. When r is significant, you substitute the values into the formulas to find the values of A and B for the regression line equation. For our first problem, we want to find the equation of the regression line for the following data, for cars in 10,000s and revenue in billions of dollars. So we put the values into their respective columns and find x, y, x squared, y squared, and find their sums. Then the values are substituted into the formula, and we find our values of A and B, and ultimately we see that the equation for this regression line is y prime equals 0.396 plus 0.106x. To graph the line, you pick any 2 points for x and find the corresponding values for y. You can use any x values between 10 and 60. In this case, we used 15 and 40 and found their respective y values. Finally, you plot the 2 points and connect the points with a line. For our last problem, we want to apply regression to agriculture and compute the equation of the regression line based on the data for rainfall for the year and the production of corn. As we did before, we start by putting all the values into the correct columns and finding the sums. Then we use the formulas to find the linear regression equation. We can use the same equation to predict the corn production when rainfall is 50 inches, and we find that it is expected to be approximately 87.84 kilograms.